Have you ever thought about how to conveniently test balance and mobility at home? Here is a video for you. If you need to focus on the specific part, check the timeline below. Reference values are always shown after the test and pause the video at that point. Let's start with the balance. Perform the test wearing sport or other low-profile shoes. Raise the heel to the height of the opposite knee joint or joint space. The foot rests against the inner side of the shin and the knee is externally rotated. The hand relaxed at the side of the body. Try to keep the position still and use your hands to maintain the balance only as needed. Start the clock. Before the 10-second mark, raise the foot to the testing position. When the stopwatch reaches 1 minute and 10 seconds, the test is over. If you lose your balance before 1 minute mark, remember the time displayed on the screen and subtract 10 seconds from your test result. Here are the reference values for the balance test and the results is obtained from the Finnish population studies. Next, let's focus on the neck and shoulder area. Lean your shoulders against the wall. Place one foot in front of the other and then take another step that you will going to have 1.5 foot length from the wall. The back of the head, shoulders and buttocks should be against the wall. Lift your hand alternatively with the back of the hand facing forward. Then assess the final position approximately. If a mirror is not readily available, use the phone to record the performance and review it afterwards. If the upper arm doesn't touch the wall, it indicates significant restriction in the movement. If you can touch the wall with the fingertips, there is a mild restriction present. If the back of the hand touches the wall, then you are doing it well. If the thoracic spine is extremely stiff, a strong recommendation is provided at the end of the video with thoracic spine mobility exercises. Try doing mobility exercises once a day, even just one song worth, and if your arm starts to move better through this, then it's going good. I also tend to have Quasimodo-like posture, so if the mobility exercises aren't part of the routine, the direction of the extension quickly gets stuck. Now my specialty, forward bending. Here is where you need to get tinker or muck around. Place a measuring tape securely on the floor and put some tape on it to prevent it shifting while you're working on it. Then sit on the floor without shoes, knees against the surface. The 0 point of the measuring tape should be 38 centimeters between the heels. The end of the measuring tape points towards the crotch and the scale increases towards the toes. Then start reaching both arms as far as possible along the floor simultaneously. Push the pen or ruler forward if you can. Keep your knees straight and the stretch should last for 2 seconds. The best result is 1 out of 3 attempts. And do not hold your breath during the test. Here is a link for the chest mobility video and thank you for your time.